purpose of our traffic control is to keep the road workers safe.
The traffic doesn't stop. There's no break. You can't walk across the lanes.
Everything out there is unpredictable. You don't know if someone's on their phone or not paying attention or watching. I mean, we're just out there trying to do our jobs, make it safer for people.
Recently, there was a tragedy that involved two CDOT employees. It made people realize just how dangerous our jobs could be. Instead of people coming in traffic control class, this is just a box I have to check. This is really pertinent information to help you be safe.
So we're doing a traffic control technician training endorsement. It's a full day training here. In a live active situation, you want to make sure that everybody participating is trained and know what they're doing. And so this training is going to make sure we're all ready to direct traffic and be able to take care of ourselves and our coworkers, our friends, and be able to see our families.
Tonight we got a TL3 smart cushion that we're replacing. Being in the metro area, there's lanes that we can't close down during the daytime. So we have to come in at nighttime and be able to actually shut a lane down with the high volume that we have in the metro area. The preliminary process is getting all the guys ready, letting them know where they're gonna be, what they're doing, what equipment we need, any hazard that might be on the job site.
Then we'll start setting the traffic control. So our crew will go out, start dropping signs on the highway. All of our cones and everything are clean, they're reflective. That way people see them and know they have to steer out of the way. We're on a 55-mile-an-hour highway. So we want people to know in advance that, hey, we're out here, we're on the road, we're trying to get something done to make it safer for them. And then we want to be safe ourselves. Most of the training here is actually on the job.
I have multiple trucks that are going to be staged. The attenuator has a scorpion on it, and that's what actually protects us if somebody's going to actually run into our job site and hit that. So that's the most important piece of equipment on our job site.
At the end of the day, everybody should be able to go home. And so would you not want to slow down and would you not want to protect them?
And we're all a CDOT family, so we want everyone to go home to their actual families, but be safe and work well together while they're here as well.
We actually have CDOT values here, and safety is the first one. And the most important part of our job is the traffic control.